Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk about compositions of functions. A composition of functions is when you're going to plug one equation into another equation. Okay, this is similar to the substitution method for systems of equations that you learn probably in Algebra 1 or 8th grade. When I'm doing this, order matters. You will be working from right to left, so right to left. All right, this says f of g of x. This piece here, I don't do anything with. It's just telling me take the g function and move it into f. Okay, let's look at some. Here I have f is 4x minus 5 and g is negative 2x plus 1. Let's assign them some colors because I like working in colors. So let's make the f function red, and we'll go with the g function is blue. That's two nice distinct colors. So in this one, is, as you notice, I marked for you, it tells me take the g, plug it into f. So that means if I was asking you to plug a number into f, this is right where I would replace it. So instead of plugging any number in there, I want to plug this whole equation in there. So this is going to be, let's see if I can get my markers going, 4, and this is where I'm going to plug something in, minus 5. I'm going to put my negative 2x plus 1 in there, okay? Notice how I put the entire g function in here, right where I would plug something into f. And now from here, you're just going to distribute. So this is now negative, let's change the color so we're, okay? This is now negative 8x plus 4 minus 5. This is negative 8x minus 1, and that is your answer. Okay, so over here, this one asks take f and plug it into g. So again, if I'm looking at my g function, right there is where I would plug a number in or a value in. So I'm going to take this whole f function and put it there. So again, I have negative 2 times something plus 1. And that something is 4x minus 5 because that's my f function. Okay, you see how I took all of my f function and I placed it right where the value would go. I find it easiest if I do, the parentheses. I write out the entire equation, leaving parentheses where I need to plug something in. So let's distribute. This becomes negative 8x plus 10 plus 1. This is negative 8x plus 11, and that's your answer for that one. So we're going to do the same thing here. Again, let's assign some colors. F will be red, and G will again be blue. Okay, why I did this one, I wanted to do this one, is because sometimes you're going to get it where it's like this, where you end up with a quadratic that I need to plug into. So the first one's asking me take G and plug it into F. So take all of this and plug it in right there. So again, let's prep it. So this is x minus 1. And inside that x space, we're going to put the 2x squared minus x plus 7. And then we're going to sorry about that. So let's do this. So for this one here, there's no distributing really. So this is 2x squared minus x plus 7 minus 1. I need to combine my like terms. 2x squared minus x plus 6. And that would be your answer. Okay, so that one seemed pretty simple and straightforward. When I go to do this one though, oops, I forgot a parenthesis. There we go, much better. I'm asking you to take f and plug it into g. So notice in g I have 2 spots that I need to plug it into. So I'm going to want to plug it into both of those spots. So let's do that. Who is g? G is blue. So this is 2 times something squared minus something plus 7. And that something is x minus 1 in both of those spots. So again, notice how I took this, and there was 2 spots to plug in a value. So I plugged it into both of those spots. This becomes tricky because this is 2 times, and then you have to FOIL this, okay? So you're going to have to write this twice and FOIL it if you don't know the fast FOILing method. So this is x squared minus 2x plus 1. And then this one this one here, you want to distribute that negative through. So this is negative x plus 1 plus 7. Then I need to distribute the 2 and then collect all my like terms. So this is 2x squared minus 4x plus 2 minus x, and I can make that a plus 8 because we're going to combine those two together. Again, go through, make sure that this and this are like terms, and this one are like terms. So I need to combine them as well. 2x squared minus 5x plus 10, and then that would be your answer. If you have questions on any of this, always email me. I can do a Google Meet with you and we can discuss this some more. So then we look at this and I'm asked, what is this used for? Because that's a lot of times what you are going to ask me. And then the next coming sections, we're going to be talking about inverse functions, how to find them, what to do with them, and how to prove that they're inverses. So we need to know how to do composition so we can talk about proving inverses. All right, so if you need anything, again, jump on our Google Meet any day, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Email me. I have ASA from 2:30 to 3:30 on Mondays and Tuesdays, or Mr. Parks has it on Wednesdays and Thursdays from 2:30 to 3:30. If you need those links, let me know. Bye, guys.